Welcome back to Health and Fitness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today we're diving into 15 natural protein alternatives to protein shakes. Whether you're looking to switch things up or prefer whole foods, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Visual. Close-up of cooked eggs. First on our list is eggs. They are one of the most versatile and complete sources of protein. Just one large egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein. Plus, they're packed with essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. Next up, Greek yogurt. It has almost double the protein of regular yogurt, offering around 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's also rich in probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Cottage cheese is another fantastic option. It's low in fat and provides about 11 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's perfect for a quick snack or as part of a meal. Quinoa is a superfood grain that's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked quinoa has about 8 grams of protein. It's also high in fiber and gluten-free. Lentils are not only high in protein, with about 18 grams per cup of cooked lentils, but they're also an excellent source of fiber, iron, and folate. They're great for soups, stews, and salads. Chickpeas or garbanzo beans are incredibly versatile. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas provides around 15 grams of protein. They're perfect for making hummus or adding to salads. Almonds are a convenient protein-packed snack. A 1/4 cup of almonds has about 6 grams of protein. They're also rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a powerhouse of nutrients. Just a 1/4 cup provides about 7 grams of protein, along with iron, magnesium, and zinc. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a tasty and protein-rich snack. 1 cup of cooked edamame offers around 17 grams of protein. They're also high in fiber and antioxidants. Hemp seeds are small but mighty when it comes to protein. 3 tablespoons provide about 10 grams of protein. They're also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Chia seeds are another tiny but potent source of protein. 2 tablespoons contain about 4 grams of protein. They're also packed with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets. 1/2 cup of tofu provides around 10 grams of protein. It's incredibly versatile and absorbs flavors well. Tempeh is another soy product that's fermented, which makes it easier to digest. It offers about 15 grams of protein per 1/2 cup and has a firm texture that works well in many dishes. Black beans are a protein-rich legume, providing around 15 grams of protein per cup when cooked. They're also high in fiber, making them a great addition to meals. Last but not least, seitan, also known as wheat gluten, is a popular meat substitute. It's incredibly high in protein, with about 21 grams per 3 ounces. It has a meat-like texture and can be used in a variety of recipes. And there you have it, 15 natural protein alternatives to protein shakes. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you meet your protein needs while enjoying a variety of delicious and nutritious options. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.